In today's video, I show you how to quickly import files from Google Drive into Dropbox without the hassle of downloading and re-uploading. Start by logging into your Dropbox account and head to the All Files section. At the top of your screen, click the Upload button and select Import from Google Drive. A pop-up will ask you to sign in to your Google account. Make sure you use the account that holds the files you want to transfer. Once signed in, you'll see your Google Drive files right inside Dropbox. Now, simply select the files or folders you want to import and confirm. Dropbox will automatically transfer them into your account. No manual downloads, no wasted time, just a seamless transfer between platforms. And that's it. Your Google Drive files are now safely stored in Dropbox. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.